The EZARC 7PCS Oscillating Tool Blades Kit is a comprehensive set that includes 7 different types of saw blades, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. The kit features 2 titanium blades for soft metal cutting, 2 Japanese tooth blades for clean wood cutting, 1 extra-wide Japanese tooth blade for larger wood cutting projects, 1 universal semicircular blade for flush cuts, and 1 scraper blade. The EZARC oscillating blades boast a titanium coating, providing a 50% increase in durability compared to bimetal oscillating multitool blades, and are adept at cutting a variety of materials, including soft metal, wood with nails, plastic, plasterboard, and drywall. The kit comes with a hard, durable storage case, making it easy to transport and organize your blades. The blades feature an updated arc edge design that minimizes vibration and improves stability for quicker, more precise cuts. And they have laser-etched length markings for improved cutting accuracy. The blades have a universal interface system, making them compatible with most brands of oscillating tools on the market.